let's open the McLaren Monopoly 60-year edition. Yes, I saw this on McLaren's website and I knew that I wanted it, but they were selling it for like £70 to start off with, or 70 or 60, I can't remember. But I was like, nah, I ain't paying that. So I waited and it eventually went on sale for like half price, and then I got a little bit more money off, so I was like, okay, let's do it. So everyone knows Monopoly. So as I saw there was a McLaren one, knew I had to get it somehow. So this is the front. It is slightly holographic. And then on the side, again, more holographic goodness. On the back, we have the McLaren logo and the contents. And then this is a slip-off protector. And then this is the Monopoly itself. I'm guessing the slipcase is like the only thing that makes it the 60-year edition. Oh no, actually it does say it down here. Fair enough. So as you can see, we've got the McLaren Formula 1 car, a road car, we've got the Indy car, the Extreme E, I believe it is, and then the Formula E as well on here, so that's pretty cool. Then on the back we have this picture. Pretty nice. Sorry, the lighting is really bad. But yeah, you get the idea. So, I suppose let's get into it. Hopefully when I've taken this wrapping off, the lighting will improve slightly, because it's not quite as shiny. Okay, here we go. Let's get into the McLaren Monopoly. Okay, I like the papaya. So the rules are in McLaren papaya. We got Bruce McLaren here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. So let's have a look at the board itself. It's really well made. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is pretty cool. So on the board itself, we've got like different F1 cars. Instead of railways, you've got McLaren Formula 1 team, you've got the IndyCar team, you've got Formula, the Shadow team, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And then you've got the different cars as well. So you've got the MP4 one on here, you've got the old school like Vodafone McLarens on here as well. You've got the P1 car as well. Oh, this was when I started watching Formula 1. Mika Hakkinen, David Coulthard. That was when I first started watching F1. So yeah, there's like paint shop, strategy, loads of stuff on here that's kind of cool. So they definitely make it unique. Yeah, that's really cool. So let's fold that back up and have a look at our pieces. So we have got a bag full of bits. So we've got trophies, and we have got, they're both different kinds of trophies. So you've got the orange trophies and then these kind of off-white trophies. And then we've got the dice as well. I think the dice could have been papaya. That would have been kind of cool. But yeah, I'm not going to open these yet because they will go everywhere. And then we have our pieces. So let's have a look at what we've got. So we have got an F1 helmet. Pretty cool. We have got a kiwi for Bruce McLaren. We have got a race boot kind of hard to see, but a race boot. We've got a McLaren road car. Kind of neat. Then we got like the old school kind of car. And then we've got the Formula 1 car. My personal favourite, the Formula 1 car. So they're kind of cool. I like those. The only one that's kind of got some weight to it though is the helmet. But unique. I do like that a lot. So the money has all got Bruce McLaren on it. And then it's just like the normal money. Let me open it actually. Try to not damage it. Okay, so we got the 1s, the 5s, the 10s, 20s, 50s, and the Papaya 100s. Nice, nice. And then we have our, they're called speed mark cards. I guess they were community chest in the normal Monopoly. I can't find the thing to pull it. There we go. This is going well. Here we go. So, speed mark. Get out of jail free. You're restoring a heritage car. Pay $50 for parts. Cost cap increased. You're responsible for one of the biggest technological innovations in motorsport. Receive $100. So these are... Your driver interviewed on national television. Collect $20. You need a new engine. Pay $100. You're caught speeding. Go to jail. These are kind of cool. It's McLaren's birthday. Collect £10 from each player. You sign a new partnership. Collect 100 in profit. So these are kind of cool. I like these. Race strategy cards. Arrow McLaren IndyCar team. Paint shop. Wind tunnel. And there's some cards here for the F1 cards. So yeah, that is the McLaren Monopoly 60th anniversary Monopoly set. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.